Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely fake, but it is 100% real history. Watch till the end, because her final move is the most unbelievable part. In the early 1800s, a woman was sold into a floating brothel on the coast of China. That is where her story begins, and it is nothing like where it ends. She married a pirate lord named Zheng Yi. When he died, she did not grieve quietly. She took command of his entire fleet and built it into something the world had never seen before. 1,800 ships, 80,000 men, the largest pirate confederation in recorded history. The British tried to stop her. The Portuguese tried. The Chinese Imperial Navy tried. Every single one of them failed. So China did something desperate. They offered her a deal. And Qing Shi sat across the table and negotiated terms so good that she retired rich, kept all her money, and spent the rest of her life running a gambling house in Guangzhou. She was never defeated, never captured. She died in her bed. The system built to destroy her simply could not.